Damian Thompson burning out on y'all ass. Burning out on your ass. Burning out on y'all fuck niggas. Ooh. You see the billow? The big ass billow of smoke on y'all ass. Well, you see them tire marks on the ground though. Look at that.